Welcome to cimaselfstudy.com. In this video, I am going to talk about the CIMA strategic level. CIMA strategic level is the final level of the CIMA academic journey. In this level, there will be 3 OTQ exams and 1 case study exam. After completion of the exams, you will be awarded CIMA exam passed finalist. This means you have successfully completed the CIMA academic qualifications. The link provided here will direct you to the CIMA official website where you can read more about the strategic level. On the right hand side, these are the links to free study materials. CIMA has given each subject a subject code. E3 for strategic management, P3 for risk management, F3 for financial strategy. After the completion of the OTQ exams, you will have to sit for a case study exam. In the final level, the case study is called Strategic Level Case Study Exam, or we call it SCS. I am going to click on the link to E3 subject. That will direct me to the dedicated page where all the free study materials can be found. This is the page where all the resources and information about the E3 subject is available. Here comes the best part of this page, free study resources. Thank you for watching. I wish all the best of luck for your CIMA exams. See you next time.